2024 is bringing with it a great deal of economic uncertainty for the commercial vehicle service and maintenance industry. In our recent Outlook study, we offer our research on recessionary expectations and present our voice of customer findings. We discuss current forces impacting the industry and present readers with critical advice for navigating today's economy. You can find our 2024 Outlook study on our website at narragon.com. Download a free copy to learn more about economic expectations, plus technology and market trends.